Welcome to my Bajerski YouTube channel. How are you doing today? It's a great day to share a little bit of information for this coming Friday. So the last live on YouTube I did, we had a few hundred people on, and a lot of people said, "Oh, I didn't know it was. Why didn't you tell me? Give us some time to prepare." Oh, okay. So I've decided to do this Friday a live interactive chat with you guys on YouTube again. So the topic, the workshop is going to be on Moldavite and crystals. So the main topic is Moldavite, but we can divert to other crystals, which is really fun. I've set the comments to 60 seconds because before I did a live event, I just couldn't sit. The comments were coming in so fast, I just couldn't read them fast enough. So hopefully that will make a bit of a difference. I would like to be able to see the comments bigger, and I don't know how to do that, but I know that Sheep Farm did it when I went on. It was like the comments was it was like really big at one side, so I could see them a lot easier. So I'm going to ask Dom and Chris about that. So I'm going to go into my safe and bring out what I believe is one of the most beautiful Moldavites in the world. I purchased this many years ago from a really amazing guy who's wrote about Moldavite and has worked with Moldavite practically most of his life. I was at a show and I saw it. It was basically the star piece, and it was an investment, and it's turned out to be probably the best investment I've ever made, because as of late I've had 3 offers to sell it, which I'm not going to do, and the offers were phenomenal. So this is the Flame of Bohemia. That's the name of this Moldavite. So I'll show you that live, and I'll also take you through, maybe if we have time, a few stories about what this crystal actually did for me over at least 6 months. So I'm gonna probably bring a few more Moldavites. We're gonna deep dive into Moldavite, but one of the main subjects is, why is Moldavite so special at the moment? And I'm going to go into the detail of how Moldavite has changed its frequency to match the alignment of the stars, our energy, the sickness, the illness, and to try and awaken souls in a unique way. I'm going to explain to you how Moldavite is actually a living entity and has, in my humble opinion, a consciousness to it. This sounds crazy, but I will back up with stories of truth and of my clients, of what happened to them and what happened to the Moldavite. I'm also going to talk about many different subjects regarding Moldavite, the disappearance of Moldavite, why, how. And again, I don't mind deviating from, okay, what works well with Moldavite, as in other crystals? What should we do with Moldavite when this happens? And different questions as they come up. And I will choose a few crystals as well and put them to one side. And at the end of the show, or in between the show, I'm going to randomly attune to you. And if I just open my mouth and say, John, James, Tracy, Sharon, you're just about to receive a crystal from the spirit world. So I'm going to allow the spirit world to just simply guide me into who is going to receive a free crystal. I did that on my last live, and I think 3 or 4, or can't remember how many people. I can't remember, but there were a few people who received a crystal at the end of the show. So I don't know whether it'll be beginning or end. So that's it. I'm going to leave one link, and I hope you can join me on Friday at 7:30 Madrid, Spain time, for an amazing 1 hour, or possibly a little bit longer, depending on how we're flowing, workshop on Moldavite and crystals. Have a beautiful day, guys. Link below.